This disturbing video that has police warning drivers to be cautious and watch for potential staged car crashes. Do you remember this from a couple weeks ago? This made my blood boil when a New York woman was caught on an attempted crash scam on her dash camera. This was all staged by the car in front of her. Police now saying this kind of insurance fraud is popping up across the country. We actually have Best Reviews here with the tech that you need to keep you safe. Your cars, your home, secure everything. Scan the QR code on your screen. It'll lead you to the products you're about to see here with us this morning. Back with us now, I have Ken Maccarone. It's good to see you again. Back from vacation.
Back from vacation. Good to see you too.
I sent an email the day that we played this video. I said, we have to have Ken here to talk about car cams. So you looked into it. What you got? What came out on top?
Well, the great thing about Best Reviews is we have a testing labs throughout the country. People testing products for us, and these are a few that we've tested and a few that we have really good notes on from our testers that I think is going to be great. Usually I get to come and talk about fun product, but today we're talking about products that protect you. So the first one is going to be from Van True. And what's great about this one, this is a 3-channel. So it's going to have 3 cameras on it. It's got this large camera here. It's not only going to have the camera that faces out forward, it's also going to have the one that faces into the car, which you can see on the back side of it.
Oh, and it's small and it's sleek.
Yeah, that'll
sit
right up.
Some of them can be so chunky, you know?
Yeah, they can get a little chunky, but this one will sit right in front of your dash cam, and then you can move the wires and you can put this rear one in the back. So it has the 3 channels running it through all the time. It's an SD card here, so you will be able to capture it. What's great about it, if you are in one of these collisions like you saw in that video, what'll happen is it'll freeze that video and it will save that video, and it will not record over it because it will continue to record over. But if there is motion, it will stop and impact and it will record.
Price point on this?
We're looking at that one right now. It's 10% off right now at $259. But you know, thinking in the grand scheme of how much a car costs, this is a very small investment for protection.
Yeah, for insurance policy too. What about some more affordable options?
More affordable is coming from Rexing. Now, what's great about Rexing, this is just going to be one forward-facing camera, so this is just going to be a less price. It's coming in under $100. It's about 5% off right now. And what's great about this one, again, this has the same idea. If the car gets crashed, it's going to do that. But what's great about this one, Wi-Fi. You're able to connect to Wi-Fi, and you can download the videos and have them on your phone. So if you need them immediately, or if you need to get them easily processed to the police station or to officers, it's easy to do it that way.
So you could probably save it straight to your camera roll.
Correct.
I'm assuming on your iPhone or so. Okay.
Exactly.
Okay, interesting. And what about third option?
Here's a third option for you. Now, holidays right around the corner. We have those porch pirates. They don't go away, right? So they're always going to get stuff. So the Ring camera, what's great about the Ring camera is that this one is going to be really easy to use. And you can also, again, the Wi-Fi app, you can get your phone to it. You can see it. As you can see around the studio right now. You can go in and you get to see a little bit more about what, so you're able to see kind of what's happening around you. And what I love about this is that you're going to,
it's pretty decent quality for less than $100.
This is going to be $150. This is
$150.
This is $95,
okay.
And then this one right here is going to be $259. We have sales on these right now, but what's great about Ring is you'll have that Wi-Fi, you'll have that subscription. It subscribes right through your Amazon account, so you'll have all those. And what I love about it is last night I actually got a notification from the neighborhood saying somebody had a hit and run. So circling back to our original story here, if you don't have these options in your car, have the police look around the neighborhood where you do have that accident. Maybe somebody has a Ring camera and will be willing to share that footage and help you out. Help you out. So there's ways to protect.
Okay, 30 and show here. Is this the same? This is not a car brand of Ring, or is it?
No,
this is the same thing.
Ring. This is a Ring camera on your home. Okay. You know, that traditional sound.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we all know
So you'll get that notification, and then that'll also allow you to get your packages. They can let you know, and you can also have automated messages like leave the package here, put it here, or let me know.
Ken, thank you so much. You brought my vision to a reality here after that story. Ken Maccarone with Best Reviews. For more Best Review products, everybody, you can use your phone to scan the QR code at the bottom of your screen. Thanks for watching, everybody. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. Also, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.